This is really exciting for our company. We've been looking all over the world for good opportunities, and we've had great successes all over the world, and particularly in the United States. But we've done a lot of work, and this Aruba looks really good.
Armstrong has a really good reputation on finding oil and gas around the globe. Tell us a little bit more about your achievements.
Yeah, so we've been primarily busy in the United States, even though we've looked all over the world. Over the last couple of decades, we've found some phenomenal oil fields in the state of Alaska, up on the North Slope of Alaska, in an area that was missed by all the major oil companies. So we're taking that success and we're trying to bring it to Aruba.
Now, what is the investment that your company is going to do in this exploration?
Well, our initial investment's in the multiple millions of dollars. And then once we decide to advance our project in the next couple of years to the drilling stage, we'll be spending upwards to $100 more million.
There are concerns about the environment. Are these well taken care of?
Obviously, if you're in this business, you have to be concerned about the environment. And obviously, the oil business can work efficiently and environmentally sensitive with the highest regard if they're careful. We've been very active in Alaska, which has the most rigorous environmental constraints, and really difficult up there. It's freezing cold all the time, and we've worked up there for 20 years and never had an issue. So yes, we're going to take great care of the environment.
Mr. Armstrong, towards reaching a timeline, how is this going to develop in the forwarding months or years?
Well, we're hoping that we'll be out actively drilling in the next couple of years. And then depending upon success, it just evolves from there. Whether it happens a few years after that, it's a matter of size and what you find.
The community is going to achieve a lot if we manage to get this product out of our soil.
If we have the success that we're hoping to have here, this will absolutely transform the Aruban economy. I mean, much the way you've seen how Guyana has been transformed in the last 5 years since the success of Exxon. I'm hopeful that we can have that same sort of big effect in Aruba.